Today we're putting Hardie back siding on. We're using drywall screws because at some point we need to move this, and if it's too heavy to move, then we're gonna have to pull these off. We put 2 eyelets down there, and using it, we have to pre-drill the holes in here with 1 drill, masonry bit, and then put screws in afterwards. So 4, these are marking off where the studs are. These gecko gauges are awesome. You slide them up underneath, fold it up, and it sets you up for the next board so that it's exactly the same spacing all the way. Such a great tool. You don't have to keep measuring. Excellent. It's Hardie back, and we've put the molding up on the sides. You butt up to it with an 1/8 inch gap. This is non-instructional video. Somebody who knows this stuff better would give you a much better explanation, but we'll do caulking on there. This is our first time doing this, so we put tar paper up first, and then we put these layered up, and it looks really good. It's gonna be an excellent garden shed.